Hello, today I'm going to show you how to share the internet or share mobile hotspot from your computer or your laptop to another computer or another devices. So let's start it. Go to your Start menu and click on Setting. And here click on Network and Internet. Then click on Mobile Hotspot. You can turn on your computer or your laptop mobile hotspot to share your internet to another computer or another device to use the internet from your computer. And you also can change your mobile hotspot name or password by clicking on Edit. Then click Save. Okay, after you gave your mobile hotspot name and password, then you can turn it on if you want to share your internet for now. Okay, thanks for watching, and if you have question, then leave your comment below. And if you like, don't forget hit the like button and subscribe for the next tutorials. Thanks and bye for now.